Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a static photo into a dynamic video using Artlist's AI image-to-video generator. Whether you want to animate a product photo, a landscape, or any still image, this tool makes it incredibly simple. Let's dive right in. First, head over to artlist.io and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free. There's a trial available. Once you're logged in, look for the AI Toolkit in the navigation menu and click on it. This is Artlist's hub for all AI-powered creation tools. Inside the AI Toolkit, you'll see several tools listed. Click on Video Generator. Then, at the top of the page, make sure you switch the mode to Image Reference. This tells the tool that you're starting from a photo rather than a text prompt. Now it's time to upload your image. Click the Upload button and select the photo you want to animate from your computer. Artlist accepts common formats like JPEG and PNG. Try to use a high-quality image. The better the source, the better your result will be. This is where it gets interesting. Artlist gives you access to multiple AI models, each with a different style and strength. You'll see options like Kling, Veo, Sora, Seedance, and more. Here's a quick guide. For realistic motion on real photos, try Kling 3.0 or Veo 3.1. For cinematic or artistic results, try Sora 2 or Seedance 2.0. If you're in a hurry and want a fast preview, use Seedance 2.0 Fast or Veo 3.1 Fast. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can always generate again with a different model. Next, you'll need to write a short prompt describing how you want your image to move. For example, if you uploaded a photo of a forest, you could write something like, "Gentle wind blowing through the trees, slow camera push forward." The more specific you are about motion and mood, the better the result. You can also use the negative prompt field to tell the AI what to avoid. For example, no blur, no distortion. Depending on the model you chose, you may see additional settings like aspect ratio, clip duration, or motion intensity. Adjust these to match your project needs. For social media like Reels or TikTok, a 9:16 vertical ratio works best. For YouTube or presentations, go with 16:9. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Generate button. The AI will process your image and produce a short video clip, typically around 5 to 10 seconds. This usually only takes a few seconds to render. When the clip is ready, preview it directly in the toolkit. If you love it, hit download to save it to your computer. If it's not quite right, tweak your prompt or try a different model and generate again. Here's a pro tip. Artlist also lets you pair your generated video with royalty-free music and AI voiceover right on the same platform. So you can build a complete video without ever leaving Artlist. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've turned a still image into a dynamic video using Artlist's AI Toolkit. It's a huge time saver for content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to produce engaging video content fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Drop any questions in the comments below. I read them all. See you in the next one.